Say hi. Free, what's up? What's up, Mom?
Hello.
We're at Wolf Caves.
Yeah.
All right.
That's right. We're at Wolf Caves. We're here for the Wheelers for Wounded fundraiser. And we had a great time. Thought I'd share this with everybody. You can see here we're headed out of the campsite. There's some pretty easy dirt trails to take you into their private area. So I took the family out. This is right outside of Mason, Texas, about 160 miles away from Austin. And it was awesome. It's completely different than Hidden Falls, where we typically go. But you can see here there was quite a crowd. We went out on this early beginners group led by Leopard, who volunteers for the Wheelers group. You can see here this fence. This is going to divide the campsite from the wheeling area off in the distance there. And that is where you will find more boulders than you've probably ever seen. So you can see here by the map, we're going to take you guys over to these blue trails right in the beginning down below there where I have the Jeep. And we'll let the narration do the job. You can see Leopard over there giving instruction on how to get up and over all these obstacles. Nothing tricky, but it sure was a lot of fun.
Did you notice when he shuts his vents, there's a mirror on it? Like his rear view mirror? Did you notice that?
Yeah.
That's kind of cool. He can angle his mirror. Like your little round things right here.
Yeah.
Look that's his mirror. That's really cool.
That's cool.
Instead of clipping on your rear view mirror, you don't have
that big ass rock or you will turtle on it.
All right.
We need flags.
Yeah.
You don't have a flagpole.
Hey, you need grace.
We need a flagpole. Oh. Wow. That didn't sound positive. What was that?
That was the middle of the car.
Do we need
That
to
was
check
the
that?
bumper.
Are we concerned? This is a white.
A blue.
So now do you want to do extreme?
Yes. Oh, jeez.
See? Yeah.
This is so fun. What are you doing? I like mine. There's a flag.
So we made it to Flag Hill. We parked all the Jeeps, put the 4 doors on the left, put the 2 doors on the right. All those 2 doors had pretty nice Jeeps. They had 37-inch tires, pretty big lifts. So us 4 doors, we were trying to follow behind them. You'll get a kick out of the next couple videos on our way back to the ranch.
Hey Mom, can you put this in the white trash box?
Oh.
It's a rock.
Okay. I feel like we're no sideways Kyle.
There's just too much to the right.
Just trying to follow everyone else's lead with 37-inch tires.
Well, her tires are like ours.
Yeah. But that guy went on that rock, so I was like, I'm not going on that rock. And then we came right back down on my frame.
Yeah,
Boom.
don't do that.
Pass here a little bit. What? Pass here as you come up. Alright, stay straight right there. You're going to feel a little rub on your frame. You're good. There you go.
Freeman, do you want to try?
I think I would hit a rock.
It's a 100% chance he'll get
Yeah.
a rock.
Well, we headed back for lunch, and we let Freeman jump in. We tore the doors off the Jeep, and we headed back out. We went out, and we went on the white trails out to where there were a lot of Jeeps and Buggies. And you can see here there were some incredible climbs here. This is the T-Rex, and there were a couple really great Buggies up there. After this, we went over to this blue area up in the upper right, and man, did we find some great trails. We'll show you what they're like.
We're in the middle of some boulders. We are gonna go to the right.
This looks like a flat one, just kind of going up.
Yeah.
Yeah, you good.
Yeah. This looks just like a flat one. Oh, look at it. It's like an airport.
I
Just
know,
follow the
it's
blue
so
dots.
flat.
So flat, Mom.
I'm just saying it's not as rocky. It's just up. Up.
It's so
One
smooth.
giant rock.
It's so smooth, Mom. It's so smooth. I wonder why we're going up and down.
There's another Jeep up there.
I'm starting to have to call
All right, we gotta figure this out, Freeman.
Okay. Should I like run ahead and see what it looks like?
How am I doing on the rock over there?
You are good. Yeah, keep going.
As in he's
keep
clearing
going.
it.
Yeah, I'm good. I'm good.
Yeah, you're good. Huh? That rock kind of looks like a fist.
And these little arrows look like people. Stick
It's like,
figures.
man, I cannot turn that quickly.
Like bathroom stick figures.
bathroom.
It's totally like
Alright.
this.
We're gonna go straight right here. How am I doing, Julia?
Like you're clearing the rock. Shouldn't see clearing the rock.
Oh, yeah.
Good, you're good, you're good.
Is this a green?
No, it's a blue. More blue.
Let's see my exit angle.
Great.
Oh no! Oh no, Freeman!
Oh no! Oh no!
What's a map?
What's our map telling us?
I think it's a U-turn.
Yeah, this isn't too good.
Yeah, Ron.
It leads into purple and red.
No.
It's just a turn right here.
Yeah, no, it's saying it means we need to go back when we came up. Oh, what happened?
Oh.
Hey, what happened?
Our blues.
We came down blue and turned around and red. It's like, well, it was easy to get down, and now it's really up.
Why are you telling us red's on the way back?
Yeah.
See the blue on the rock up there?
That's a red.
I see only red. Oh, here's blue.
Yeah, you got to power through that.
How do we navigate this small town?
Yeah, you're stuck on the rock right there. Back. Okay. Left a bit. There you go. There you go.
What? You're gonna hit your rock over here, Kyle.
I got it. Freeman, how are you doing?
You're gonna actually.
You good on this side?
Red might have been a clearer path.
Ah.
Just say there was a loud thump, so I don't know what happened.
Well, what happened is we had a great time. My family and I had such a blast exploring Wolf Caves. We were unable to go as hard as we wanted. We had a flat tire with all the boulders, but we still managed to get out to see some of those crazy trails we videotaped. Thanks to Wheelers for the Wounded for putting on such a great event. Can't look forward to getting back out with the group and exploring more places with a nice group of people. If you like this video, hit the like button, and hope to present you some more videos in the future. Thanks everyone. Stay safe.